Hi everyone, welcome to our class. In this class, we are going to discuss another problem of reducing balance method in depreciation. So, the problem is on 1st January 2011, Geeta Traders purchased a printing machine for 3 lakh rupees. On 1st July 2013, the printing machine was sold for 1 lakh 30,000 rupees. Depreciation is provided at the rate of 10% per annum on reducing balance method. The books are closed on 31st December every year. Prepare printing machine account. This is the problem. For this problem we have to prepare solution, and this is the format of the printing machine account. In the books of Geeta Traders printing machine account, date particulars, JF number, amount, date particulars, JF number, amount. So first of all, on 1st January 2011, Geeta Traders purchased a printing machine for 3 lakh rupees. For this transaction, we will post on the debit side of the printing machine account 2011 January 1st to bank account 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees. We know that when a asset is purchased, we should post on the debit side of the asset account as to bank account. Next, on the books closing date, we have to calculate the depreciation for the asset. That's why 2011 December 31st by depreciation account cost of the printing machine is 3 lakh rupees. Depreciation rate is 10%, that's why 10 by 100, and machine was in the organization from January 1st to December 31st, that means whole year. That's why 30,000 is the annual depreciation. Now we have to balance the account. Debit side has higher amount 3 lakh rupees, same amount carried to another side 3 lakh rupees. From 3 lakh rupees we have to less 30,000. Difference amount is 2 lakh 70,000. This is called as a balance carried down. This balance carried down we should bring as a balance brought down on the beginning date of the next accounting year. So next accounting year is 2012 January 1st to balance brought down 2 lakh 70,000. Now for this year also we have to calculate depreciation at the books closing date 2012 December 31st by depreciation account we should calculate depreciation on the book value of the asset. That means what is the book value of the asset is 2 lakh 70,000. So we should also calculate depreciation on 2 lakh 70,000 into 10 by 100, that equals to 27,000 is the amount of depreciation. Next we have to balance this. Obviously debit side has higher amount 2 lakh 70,000, same amount carried to another side 2 lakh 70,000. From 2 lakh 70,000 less 27,000. After deduct the 27,000, the difference amount is 2 lakh 43,000. This is called as a balance carried down by balance carried down 2,43,000. Next, this balance carried down we should bring as a balance brought down on the beginning date of the next accounting year. That means 2013 January 1st to balance brought down 2,43,000. But in this year, on 1st July 2013, the printing machine was sold for 1,30,000. So, on 1st July 2013, they sold printing machine for 1,30,000. Till 1st July 2013, the machinery was in the organization only. జూలై 1st 2013 వరకు మెషినరీ అనేది ఆర్గనైజేషన్లోనే ఉంది. దట్స్ వై వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాల్కులేట్ డిప్రిషియేషన్ టిల్ 1st July 2013. సో 2013 July 1st by depreciation account book value of the asset is 2,43,000 into 10 by 100 into January 1st to July 1st. That means we won't consider the July month, just we consider till June 30. That means 6 months. 6 by 12. Depreciation amount is 12,150 rupees is the depreciation amount. And sale proceeding, we have to record sale proceeding of the asset. Same date July 1st by cash or bank account. When we sold asset, we will post on the credit side of the asset account as cash or bank account 1,30,000. 1,30,000 is the selling amount. Now we have to calculate the profit or loss on sale of asset. For this purpose we have to make a small working note. Calculate profit or loss on sale of printing machine. Printing machine. First of all, original cost of the printing machine is 3 lakh rupees less depreciation 2011 depreciation is 30,000 and 2012 depreciation is 27,000. 2013 depreciation is 12,150. Total depreciation is 69,150 rupees. 69,150 rupees. The difference amount is 2,30,850 rupees. 2,30,850 rupees. This is the book value of the printing machine. From this we have to less sale proceeds of printing machine. is 1,30,000. 1,30,000. After deduct the 1,30,000, the difference amount is 1,850 rupees. This is the loss on sale of printing machine. Actually, the book value of the asset is 2,30,850, but we sold only for 1,30,000. That's why loss is 1,08,850 rupees. This is the loss on sale of printing machine. This loss should be transferred to profit and loss account. That's why July 1st, by profit and loss account, loss 1,850 rupees. Two sides total 2,43,000. 2,43,000. So in this problem they sold machinery. That's why we got loss on sale of printing machine is 1,850. This is the solution for this problem. Thank you for watching, friends. We will meet in our next class.